Before you begin this class, you are gonna wanna request the voucher for your CAPM exam. There's a button near the assessment area that you'll need to click on to start the process. The voucher will most likely come to you as a gift card that you will use to pay for the exam registration. It might take a few days to make it to your inbox, but while you wait, go to the PMI website and create a free account. Once logged in, add the student membership and the exam to your cart. You will use the gift card that WGU gave you to pay for it. It will cover the cost of both, as long as they are processed on the same transaction. Once the payment goes through, you'll have access to the PMBOK guide. Go ahead and download it now so you can use it to study. This will also come handy for your capstone project, as you will need to reference it. You do not need to take the CAPM exam now. The voucher allows you up to a year to register for it, so I highly recommend to focus on passing the assessment for this class, and take the CAPM exam later when you are done with your degree. In the Udemy portal provided to you through your WGU class, you will find useful resources in Section 2, and 2 extensive practice exams toward the end. I recommend watching all the videos and taking all the section quizzes before attempting to take the practice exams. Another tool I used to study was Quizlet. The 2 that I'm included on the description below were really helpful. I personally used the Quizlet Plus subscription to help me keep track of my progress so I would know when I was ready for the assessment, but it is not necessary if you are on a budget. Things to know about the exam: project scope, schedule, and cost management, project management concepts, communication, risk, and integration management are 63% of the assessment. I recommend to focus primarily on those areas. I also recommend taking this class towards the end, right before your capstone project. There will be content from this class that will be useful to have fresh in your mind that will make your capstone much easier. And don't forget to register for your CAPM exam after you complete your degree. With all the excitement from finishing, you will most likely forget about it.